Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable adaptive stroke width option on the Notein application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. You can find so many buttons in the home screen, but you click to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the home screen and go to the second section, the tool settings, and here you can find the adaptive stroke width, the third option, and this function will be enabled. And if you want to turn off, just click to the next blue circle, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.